Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus minor multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 88, C is 164 and D is 200. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Okay, now just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see here, we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So we have first bracket, which is this one. So we have to solve this one, and other part we will write right now as it is. So 8 raised to power 3 divided by 4 plus 4 and 30 divided by 5, which is equals to multiply by 6, and multiply by 3 we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference, which is 30 divided by 5 equals to 6. Now we have solved the uh, bracket, and now we have to solve the exponent part. So we will go for exponent part, and you can say the order of operation. So what we will do, we will solve this one, which is we have to solve 8 raised to power 3. So 8 raised to power 3 means 8 multiplied by 8, 8 multiplied by 8. So 8 multiplied by 8 equals to 8 equals to 152. So the answer becomes for 8, 5, 12 and divided by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3. We will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 8 raised to power 3 means 512. Okay. Now we have solved the exponent part. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have this division, which is 512 divided by 4. So we will divide both of them and get the answer is 512 divided by 4 equals to 120. It becomes 120 plus and 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3 will write as it. And here we have to give the reference 512 divided by 4 equals to 128. Okay. Now we have to solve the again multiplication and division. So we will go left to right and find out now which is coming first. So now we have this multiplication 4 multiplied by 6 equals to 128 plus 4 multiplied by 6 means 4 1 the 4 24 and multiply by 3 we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 4 multiplied by 6 equals to 24. Now we have solved the multiplication. Now again we have to see the multiplication. So we will go left to right in this expression and find out is coming. So now we have 24 multiplied by 3 again. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 72. Here we have to give the reference 24 multiplied by 3 equals to 72. Now we have here two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 200. So the answer of the given expression is 200. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So this is the way you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BOSMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.